steel part with a surface area of 125 centimeter square is to be chrome coated through an electroplating process using chromium acid sulfate as an electrolyte. An increasing current is applied to the part according to the following current time relation. I is equal to 12 plus 0.2 T, where I is the current in amperes and T is equal to time in minutes. The part is submerged in the plating solution for a duration of 20 minutes for plating purpose. Assuming the cathode efficiency of chromium to be 15% and the plating constant of chromium acid sulfate to be 2.5 into 10 power minus 2 mm cube per ampere second, the resulting coating thickness on the part surface is dash micrometer. Units of the desired thickness value on the part surface is given as micrometers, and we need to round up the solution to 1 decimal place. Okay, so basically this is a question from production technology from electroplating process. So this solution has to be done little carefully. So let's try to check out step by step. It is given that the surface area is 125 centimeter square. Let us consider that as S. And the given current time relation is I is equal to 12 plus 0.2 T. It is given that it is done for a duration of 20 minutes. And the plating constant is given as 2.5 into 10 power minus 2 mm cube by ampere second. Let us consider that as K. Efficiency of cathode is given as 15%. So which is nothing but 0.15. So now let us try to consider the thickness of the coating to be dx. So according to electroplating process, we can write that A into dx is equal to theta into K into I into dt. Okay, where A is nothing but surface area, which is nothing but S here, which is 125 into 10 square into dx multiplied by 10 square is because we are converting 125 centimeter square into mm square, which is nothing but efficiency is given as 0.15 into K is 2.50 into 10 power minus 2 into I is 12 plus 0.2 T dt. So now integrating on both sides will give us this relation. This is nothing but dx is having an integral with limits from 0 to x, where x is the final thickness of the resultant coating on the part surface, and the limits of time are 0 to 20 because the duration of electroplating process is for 20 minutes. Upon simplifying that will give us the desired thickness to be 5.04 micrometers.